हेलो साथीहरू, नमस्ते नमस्कार। आज पनि यो मेरो च्यानलमा तपाईहरुलाई स्वागत छ र जो जतिले यो भिडियो हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ सुरुबाट अन्तिमसम्म कृपया भिडियोलाई स्किप नगरिकन हेर्नु होला। र आजको भने म तपाईहरुलाई विद्यार्थी भाइ-बहिनीहरुले साइन्समा दिएको प्र्याक्टिकल स्वरूप दिएको कुराहरु चाहिँ आफूले लेखेर ल्याउनु पर्ने र आफूले जुन विषयमा लेखेको छ त्यही चीज जीवजन्तु किरा फट्याङ्ग्रा लगायतका विभिन्न चीजवस्तुहरु चाहिँ विद्यार्थी भाइ-बहिनीहरुले ल्याएका छन्। त्यही कुरा चाहिँ आजको यो भिडियो मार्फत मैले तपाईहरुलाई देखाउन गइरहेको छु र यो सम्पूर्ण भिडियोमा चाहिँ विद्यार्थी भाइ-बहिनीहरुको प्रदर्शनी हैन, विद्यार्थी भाइ-बहिनीहरुले ल्याएका चीज वस्तु जीवजन्तुहरु चाहिँ यो भिडियो मार्फत देखाउने छु है त। देख्दै हुनुहुन्छ नि साथीहरु, यो चाहिँ कुकुरको बच्चा कति क्यूट छ है, कति राम्रो। काठमा यस्तो बेन्चमा दुलो परेको रहेछ जुन चाहिँ टोकिरहेछ, के रहेछ भनेर टोक्दैछ। एकदमै राम्रो छ। र अबको साइन्सको यो प्रेजेन्टेसन छ त्यो चाहिँ म सबै देखाउने छु आज तपाईहरुलाई है त। जुन चाहिँ हामी विद्यार्थी भाइ-बहिनीहरुलाई चाहिँ प्रयोगात्मक रूपमा त्यसको सबै बडी पार्ट्स देखि लिएर त्यसको सबै विषयवस्तुको बारेमा चाहिँ विद्यार्थी भाइ-बहिनीहरुले लेखेर ल्याएका छन् र आफूले प्रस्तुत गर्नेछन्। आफ्नो प्रस्तुतिकरणलाई चाहिँ राख्नेछन्। भिडियोमा देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ।
The boiler chicken is a different type of poultry bird that has been developed mainly for people also. Unlike native breeds, boilers have selectively bred to grow very fast, gaining market weight within 6 to 8 weeks. Because of this rapid growth and efficiency, boiler farming has become one of the most important parts of modern agriculture. Boiler chickens are easily recognized by their body, soft skin and light colored feathers. They are not as codex, but mainly for their tender meat, easy protein, low in fat and easy to digest. This chicken meat is just very compared to many
ल यहाँ चाहिँ तपाईले माछाको प्रजाति देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ। अनि यता खरायो है, कति राम्रो छ। खरायो बसिराखेको छ, छुने बानी रहेछ त्यही भएर पनि बसिराखेको छ। यता फट्याङ्ग्रा देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ यो बोतलभित्र, फट्याङ्ग्राहरू। अनि यो बट्टामा चाहिँ पुतली देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ है। पुतलीको विभिन्न प्रजातिहरू यहाँ 2-3वटा चाहिँ बट्टाभित्र रहेको छ। त्यसैगरी यो बट्टामा चाहिँ के रहेको छ त भन्नुहुन्छ भने छेपारो देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ। बट्टाभित्र छेपारो, यो बट्टामा छेपारो रहेको छ। त्यसैगरी यसमा के रहेको छ त गङ्गट्टो देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ। निकै ठुलो रहेछ गङ्गट्टो, बट्टाभित्र बसिराखेको छ। गङ्गट्टो रहेको छ। त्यसैगरी यो पनि माछा नै, माछाको एउटा प्रजाति हो। यो पनि माछा पनि विभिन्न प्रजातिका हुन्छन्, त्यसमध्ये विभिन्न प्रजातिका माछाहरू पनि ल्याएका छन् विद्यार्थी भाइ-बहिनीहरूले। यो पनि गङ्गट्टो रहेको छ। यहाँ पनि माछा, यो पनि माछाको एउटा प्रजाति रहेको छ। यता पनि माछा देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ। माछाको चाहिँ आज विभिन्न प्रजातिहरू चाहिँ ल्याएको देखिन्छ भाइ-बहिनीहरूले। अनि यो माउरी प्लास्टिक, यो जालीमा यस्तो कपडाको त्यो जालीमा चाहिँ माउरी रहेको छ। अनि यो कुकुरको बच्चा यता घुमिरहेको छ। यता देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ यो बट्टामा, यहाँ चाहिँ यो चाहिँ परेवाको बच्चा देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ, सानो परेवाको बच्चा। त्यसैगरी बिरालोको बच्चा पनि देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ, बिरालोको बच्चा। त्यसै भनिरहेको छ एकजना भाइले लेखेको विषयवस्तु, जुन चाहिँ बच्छ्यौँ रहेको छ है। अरिङ्गाल पनि भन्ने गरी चाहिँ यहाँ बट्टाभित्र देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ बच्छ्यौँ। यो अरिङ्गालको बारेमा चाहिँ भाइले अहिले भनिरहेका छन्, बताइरहेका छन् अगाडि बसेर। 2-3 मिनट चाहिँ बट्टाभित्र अरिङ्गालहरू देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ।
Honey is one kind of wild that are very important, which have been very important in our ecological system, and they are typically in black and white pattern. Also practical, you can also see that they are most of the in black and white pattern, and except this there are also are in white. Now I am going to explain about life cycle of hornet. The life cycle of a hornet involves complete metamorphosis and consists of 4 stages: egg, larva, and adult. Metamorphosis means the life cycle of any organism which consists of 4 stages, that are egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Same like of hornets, there are other life cycle of organisms such as butterfly, mosquitoes, which also consist of 4 stages, that are egg, larva, pupa, and adult. And the first stage of life cycle of hornet is egg. We can see in this picture that first stage of the hornet is egg, and after that larva, pupa, and adult. Egg. The egg stage of hornet. The egg stage is the very beginning of a hornet's life cycle. It also starts in spring when the fertilized queen, who has survived the winter in hibernation, wakes up and looks for a suitable place to start her new colony. She usually chooses a sheltered spot such as tree branches, hollow tree trunks, bushes, or sometimes human structure like attics and under roofs. Mostly the hornets make their nest in branches of trees, land, etc. Small nest home chewed of wood fiber mixed with saliva, which hardens into a papery material. Within this first small nest, she creates hexagonal cells similar to those seen in the hive. Queen of the hornet makes hexagonal cell. It means which have 6 sides. Hexagonal means the egg stage lasts only a few days, generally 5 to 8 days, depending on the temperature and environmental conditions. Warmer weather helps the egg develop faster, while colder conditions can slow the process down. At the end of the stage, the egg hatches into small larvae, making the beginning of the stage. Next phase. That it means that in summer season, that life cycle of hornet is faster than a polar environment. Now second stage of life cycle of hornet is a larva. The larva begins when the egg hatches. The hornet larva is a small white worm-like creature with no legs and no fully developed eyes. At this point, the larvae are helpless and completely dependent on the queen for survival. They remain inside the nest cells where they grow and develop. At the end of the larva stage, each larva spins a thin, sleek-like cap over itself, sealing itself inside. This signals the beginning of the pupa stage. The larva's transformation into an adult hornet is about to begin. The larva stage is extremely important because it is the time when the insect gathers all the nutrients and energy it needs for the metamorphosis. With proper feeding and care at this stage, the larva cannot become strong and healthy adults. This stage usually lasts about 2 years. An adult. The adult stage is the final stage of a hornet life cycle and the most visible to humans. When the adult hornet emerges from its pupal cell, it is fully formed with wings, legs, eyes, and a top exoskeleton. Its role in the colony depends on whether it is a worker or drone plants and reduce the need for harmful pesticides. This makes them indirect helpers of farmers and gardeners. Hornets also have an indirect role in agriculture and food security since they feed from
के छ पुतली देखिँदैन नि
यहाँ छ त
मरिसके जस्तो
मरेन ओइ उठ त
What's up, guys? Today our topic is chicken boiler. And introduction. Boiler chicken refers to a special kind of chicken that is raised mainly for meat production. Unlike local or indigenous chickens, boiler are fast-growing birds and that reach market weight within a short period of time, usually 6 to 8 weeks. They are selectively bred and scientifically managed to provide soft, tender, and nutritious meat, making them one of the most important sources of animal protein for human beings. International anatomy of boiler chicken. The international anatomy of a boiler chicken is made of several important organ systems that work together for growth, reproduction, and survival. Brain controls the nervous system, body movements, and coordination. Beak and mouth used for picking and swallowing. Prevent stomachs. The first part of the stomach digestive enzymes mixed with food, liver, or large of organ that produces storage nutrients and helps in metabolism. Lungs responsible for respiration of oxygen supply. It decides, digests and absorbs nutrients from the food. External anatomy of chicken. The external anatomy of chickens refers to all visible body parts that can be seen from outside. Knowing these parts is important in defining health, growth, and breed characteristics. Main external parts of a chicken head contains the eyes, beak, gum, and weightless break used for picking food and drinking water. Gum. The red fishy structure on top of the head helps in regulating body temperature. Weightless. The two fleshy lobes hanging below the beak also help in the heat regulation. Eyes provide good vision, important for detecting food and production. Nutrients of boiler chicken. Proper nutrition is the most important factor for the rapid growth and good health of boiler chicken. Science boiler are raised mainly for meat production within a short period, 6 to 8 weeks. They require a balanced diet that supplies energy, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water in the right proportion. Growth and development of chicken. The growth and development of chicken is a continuous process that starts from the moment it hatches from the egg. Egg hatching chicks are covered with soft down feathers and depend on the pup sacs nutrients during the first 24 to 48 hours during the early chick stage, which lasts from about 1 to 6 weeks. They experience rapid growth of the body and muscles, requiring high protein instant feed to support the.
I'm from class 9. I'm here to present about the classification of activities about the rabbits.
Where's your animal?
Animal. So fast animal.
Show animal.
So animal. Cats in it here.
Yes.
Rabbits are found in many parts of the world, from grasslands to forests, and are often bred or raised for their meat and for physical characteristics. Rabbits have distinctly long ears that have predators. Their large eyes give them a wide field of vision, and their strong legs allow them to come great distances.
Roll number 20, class 9.
Physical body parts that are essential for movement, protection, and sensory functions. Head contains the beak, eyes, comb, wattles, and earlobes. Neck supports the head and allows flexible movement. Feathers provide insulation, protection, and aid in body temperature regulation. Wings used for balance. Broiler have limited flight capability. Legs and feet support body weight and assist in walking. Include shanks, toes, and claws. Tail helps in balance and communication. The internal anatomy. The internal anatomy of a broiler chicken consists of several organ systems that ensure growth and survival. The digestive system. Digestive system includes the crop for storing body for chemical digestion, the gizzard for grinding, the intestine for absorption, and associated organs like liver and pancreas. The respiratory system has lungs and 9 air sacs that provide continuous supply of oxygen, while the circulatory system is made up of 4 chambered heart and blood vessels that transport nutrition and oxygen. The nervous system composed of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves control movement and body function. Nutritional requirement of broiler chicken. 1. Protein. Protein is the building block of the body. It helps broiler chicken grow muscles, repair tissues, and develop feathers. 2. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for broilers. Just like fuel for a machine, carbohydrates give energy for movement, digestion, and growth. Fats. Fats provide concentrated energy and help in absorbing vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Common sources are vegetable oils and animal fats. 4. Vitamins. Vitamins are required in small amount but are very important for life. Without vitamins, chicken may suffer from disease and poor growth. 5. Minerals. Minerals like calcium and phosphorus makes bones strong, while sodium, potassium, and chlorine keep the body balanced. 6. Water. Water is the most common nutrient, even more than the feed. It helps in digestion, body temperature control, and carrying nutrients to every cell. Growth and development. Broiler chicken are known for their fast growth and ability to reach the market weight within 5 to 7 weeks, making them highly efficient for meat production. Their development can be divided into 3 main stages, like starter phase, where chicks grow rapidly, develop and muscles organ and require high protein food. Warmth and early vaccinations to support their immune system. The grower phase, during which weight gain continues at the steady pace, skeletal and muscular system strength. And feed is just adjust to provide moderate protein with higher energy to sustain growth.